Bye, funny bunnies! Subscribe now!
He's Harry the bunny. He loves to be funny and play every morning when everything's sunny. When the morning comes to stay, he loves to play all day. He's the sunniest bunniest Harry the bunny.
I'm the funniest, sunniest
Harry the bunny. He's Harry the bunny.
Hello, little ones. I'm Harry the bunny. Oh, good. So, what do you want to do today? Go to work. Teddy, you don't go to work. Make me breakfast. Teddy, Mommy and Daddy Bunny do that, not you. You are a teddy bear. You are for playing. I play with you during the day and snuggle up in bed at night. Hey! We can go outside together. I want to show you to my friend. Yes, my friends have teddy bears too. We'll dance together and play together. And at night, we're all gonna sleep together. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies. Hi, little ones. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos every week. I wonder what the next one will be about. Bedtime makes me sleepy. Every night, when I close my eyes and sleep, I have dreams. I bet you have dreams too, Teddy. My dreams take me many places where I see and do lots of things. Last night, I dreamt our house was all made of carrots. Sometimes I forget my dreams when I wake up. I wonder what dreams I'll have tonight. I want a funny dream where I can fly with my ears, just like this. I'm flying. I'm flying. No, I'm not really flying. I can only fly in my dreams. What do you want to be in your dreams, Teddy? Oh, yay! I can't wait to start dreaming all my fun dreams. I'm getting sleepy. Sweet dreams, Teddy. Sweet dreams, everyone. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. funny bunnies. Oh, hello everybody. I'm Harry the bunny. La 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 la. La 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 la. It's Mommy's birthday. We're having a party with yummy carrot cake and lots of songs. I'm going to sing Mommy a birthday song. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'll have cake later. I need to practice my singing now. For singing, I need music. La 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 la. Be happy birthday. Now let's pick a song. A song has music you can dance to and words you can sing to. La 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 la. Hey, I know what song y'all sing, Mommy. It's a special birthday song. I came up with all the words to it. Happy birthday, happy bunny birthday. It's Mommy Bunny's special day. Let's all cheer, hip hip hooray. Sing her happy birthday. Happy bunny birthday. Happy bunny birthday. What a great song! But if you don't know the words to a song, you can always just hum. See you later. I can hum. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies. Oh, hello everybody. I'm Harry the bunny. I'm going outside. Brrr. It's cold outside. It makes your body shiver and shake. Brrr. It's cold out. I'm wearing a coat to be warm and toasty. And I'm wearing a hat. It keeps my head warm and snuggly. Good job, hat. But I want to be really warm and toasty, fuzzy and snuggly. What's missing? What's missing? Oh, what about this? This looks like a fuzzy snuggle warmer. Oh, it's warm, but I can't see. Oh, this isn't a fuzzy snuggle warmer. It's long, it's warm, it's fuzzy, and it goes around your neck. It's a scarf. It's cold out there. Now I'm ready to go outside. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies. Wow! To make a square, you need 4 straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow! I have so many square-shaped things in my room. That picture frame on the wall is a square. Hey! That's a picture of me in the square. My cubes are also squares. Oh, look! I think I see more squares in my door. 1, 2, 3. My door is made out of 3 squares. Wow! The whole room is starting to look square. Oh! 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 I can draw myself with squares.